Really is a game, of course, that they should win. Gundo, well, Atkinson was all over him. He cannot have a complaint there for 1 minute. Gundo's won the penalty, and I think he might be wanting to take it. We'll have an argument with Darren Potter about that. In fact, that's exactly what's happening. Darren Potter with 2 balls, he'll probably only need 1. Barnsley still arguing about that. And now the goalkeeper Nick Colgan getting involved. The referee saying, well, you know, we only have 90 minutes in this game. Really, you're going to have to make your minds up, because I'm not changing mine. And it is Darren Potter who's going to take it. Carl Henry, the captain's armband, making the decision. The trouble is, when this amount of time is taken over a penalty, you can end up missing it. Well, here's Darren Potter to prove me wrong. Hits it well, but saved. It was a great save from Nick Colgan, got down well, didn't really get the power. Still seems hard to believe that they've failed to find a rent in this Barnsley defence. Pushed forward by McNamara. Touch. Molineux, and it's there! Finally, it's broken. And the goal for the captain, Carl Henry. Molineux made it. The captain kept his head, took out 2 defenders, and Wolves are ahead. It'll mean a lot to him. The game looked more of a dangerous corner than perhaps it should have been. But Wolves can come away now. Barnsley have pushed everybody forward. Davis is looking to push it through. Can't find the telling pass. And the game held up again. A little touch is Bothroyd. This is Molineux. And Say gets the goal he deserves. He made one for the captain, Emery, and now he's got one of his own. Little ball through from Ward. Touch on from Bothroyd, and Molineux hits the second.